10:16, Monday evening, December 16th. Interesting how that worked out. Have just gotten back from mom and dad's house. Productive evening, albeit a late evening. Take a look at the following footage, and I'll come back afterwards. Here at mom and dad's house, have implemented the Raspberry Pi that'll control everything. You know, we have the 3 Raspberry Pi Zeros in the basement so far, connected to the Denon receivers. Going to put this one in the basement as well, actually running the web server and PHP and the Python code to control everything. So just connected it up to a switch here in the family room to get an IP address and run some initial tests. Here's some debug output that I've got in the Python to let me know what's going on when I issue commands from the UI. But yeah, happy to say that everything's working. I can issue commands from the UI, see the output here, and we get the appropriate response around the house. So a little bit of work to do to map the different zones to what you see in the UI and name everything appropriately. But yeah, we are well on track to be able to provide that wow factor for Christmas Day. So pretty excited. It's 9:45, just about, and have had a productive evening here at mom and dad's house, putting together something of an enhancement to the solution. Actually put the back end products in place, as I mentioned in an earlier video. But as I was sitting down tweaking things, we got to look at the UI functioning, controlling things in the real world. And Dad's looking at the interface, and he had some thoughts and some suggestions that, to his pleasure, I was able to implement in real time. I'm going to give you a glimpse of that, and let me know what you think. As a part of that segment, we were supposed to have for you a recorded view of the new user interface on an iPad. I was kind of holding it up against the wall, and Dad had turned the lights out so that you could kind of get the full experience. But I think when I handed him my phone, he hit the record button, which I had already started, so stopped the recording. So to compensate for that, I'm going to show you a little bit of how things evolved. So I'll take you over to my browser, and you'll see on the screen the UI similar to the way you've seen it before. This is the testing utility that I've been using when I'm at home to perfect things. And in a collaboration with my father, we have evolved that into a holiday theme, something on the order of this, which I think looks pretty slick. I like it a lot. We were able to, in that little segment we were going to have for you, I do a real-time control, turning on a zone and turning it off. Works super, super well. So really excited for Christmas Day. Hopefully can get with my brother, can get his UI goodness incorporated into what we're doing, and look forward to knocking some people's socks off. Having a fun time Christmas Day. But that's what I've got for you today. Hope you're doing well. And yeah, that's the evolution of the audiovisual controller for whole home solutions. Talk to you in the next one.